What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So as you can see, we are definitely not at my house. We're actually out here in like some back roads, some like canyons and stuff, because I wanted to bring the F10 out here and kind of see how the car handles with the new coils on it, with it being a little lower, a little more like aggressive like spring rates and stuff compared to stock, which obviously it's going to perform like way better. But another reason why I wanted to bring it out is because if you saw last week's video, I was kind of going over about why I picked the Porsche up. And a big reason for that is that car just drives and like handles so much better than this big boat of a car does. And I mean, it's gonna be night and day. Like I have no doubt in my mind, like this car weighs 1,000 more pounds than that car. That car has a near 50-50 weight distribution between the front and the rear. And I just know that that car is more geared for like driving in this particular situation. But what I wanted to do is, it's been a couple weeks since I've made an F10 video, and I've been meaning to get the car out and do a video like this anyways. I want to see how the car handles. Obviously, you know, it's not going to be, you know, racing through the canyons. Like, it's not going to be doing any damage or anything, but I think it'll be fun. I think it'll be a cool video, and I think it'll give people who maybe wanted to do what I wanted to do with this car originally an idea for what to shoot for, or at least, you know, progressively what steps you can take to make better progress towards hitting that goal. Because I don't think I want to do that with this car anymore. I don't think I want to spend the money to make this car, I mean, reach a level that I think the Porsche is just better at. Even though it's an old car, I think it's just designed better for that. And so for the people who may buy this car and who, you know, this car can very easily be made quick. And I think if you do enough mods to it, it can handle significantly better than the boat feel that it has from stock. And so I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna go cruise through some canyons, kind of give my impressions of like how I feel the car is doing, and just kind of let you guys know. And hopefully while we're up here, we can get some cool shots and just enjoy a cool little drive on Easter Sunday. So here we go. All right, man, we're at the top of the hill. As you can see, I have my GoPro set up right here, but man, I am really surprised with this car. I'm gonna note this right now. If you're watching this, I have no like track driving experience. All I am is like a passionate enthusiast for all things automotive who have taken my old BMWs out and cruised the canyons with them like over the years. I have no professional experience. I don't do this very often, and so take whatever I'm about to say with a grain of salt. But I will say this car handles a lot better than I thought it was going to handle. Now, I'm not saying it's the best handling car out there, but with the coils and with having lowered the car a little bit, and with these spring rates being a little more aggressive than stock, obviously I would argue a lot more aggressive than stock, The car handles like really, really good. At least in my opinion. I'm like really surprised. Obviously, I wasn't pushing the car past its limits. I don't know what this car is actually capable of before it starts really like pushing the boundaries of, you know, what I'm capable of doing and what the car's capable of doing. But I mean, I was ripping it through the canyons and it felt good. It felt smooth, and I didn't feel like I didn't have control of the car at any point in time. So I think what I'm going to do now, because I kind of ran out, you know, I'm at the top, like I said, I after this it's just like a city and then, you know, back down. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around and I'm going to go down and I'm going to see like how it feels going down, and then we'll check in one more time and I'll let you guys know. But so far, super, super fun, super, super rad. I'm stoked on this thing. And truth be told, I don't know why it took me so long to get this thing out here, because this thing, it scoots, man. It's, you know, it's not fast. Like, for those of you who have really fast cars or who do this like more often or with more capable cars, I'm just working with what I got, man. So please don't rip into me for that. This car feels quick. It's going around the corners really nice, and I'm really, really stoked on it. So let's head back down the hill, and I'll catch you guys after that. Alright, so I started going down the hill and I hit some traffic. I got stuck behind this RV for pretty much the whole way down. So I got to the bottom, turned around and came back up. And here I am back again at the top of the hill. Again, man, this car is like so surprising. I think this time up, having like gone the first time and like got a feel for it, the second time up, I went a little harder. I think I pushed the car a little more, like quicker around the corners and just like coming out and stuff. Again, take what I'm saying with a grain of salt. I don't do this every day, but dude, this car, like I said, it rips, man. And maybe it's just because I haven't driven a lot of other really fast cars, especially in like a situation like this, like through the canyons and through like windy roads and stuff. But this car rips, man. And this car, I'm shocked. I don't think it's a track capable car still. Like, I don't think I would go out and try to like compete on a track at all. But just for like this kind of driving, I think this car gets the job done. And that's not me trying to knock it, but again, I think cars like the Porsche that I have are more suited for this. But this car, in the way I have it dialed, like the suspension, like the way I adjusted everything, it feels awesome back here. It feels really good. It feels really planted. And again, maybe I'm just not, you know, pushing this car to its limits, but I'm out here, I'm having fun. The car seems really capable for at least what I'm giving it, and so I don't think you could ask for a lot more than that. So if you're looking to build your 535 or just F10 platform into something like this, I mean, just based on my own experience, I think the best thing you could do is probably just look into getting like a solid set of coilovers and just dialing that in, because at the very least, I think the car is capable enough for back road driving. Just my experience, but if that's what you're trying to do with your F10, use this as like a guide. All I have is coilovers installed on the car. I don't have upgraded sway bars. I do have adjustable sway bar end links, but those came with my coilovers. I don't know how much that added to any of this. And otherwise, I have aftermarket wheels, and to be completely honest, I don't even know what tires I have on the car, but it felt good. It drives good, and I'm super stoked with how today went. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you liked some of these kind of like driving point of view, POV clips. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.